Alright, here we come to the elevators right there and right there at the there's someone right there at the catorce station right there, catorce hotel, and there's the hotel right there. This is a really big hotel right there. This is so beautiful. Alright, sing my Mitsubishi elevators to the right. It's one. Today's Tuesday, December 91. Wow. Oh yeah, whenever because it's closed. Thought that this doesn't here. This is epic fail. Alright, so here it comes. Next one, the Mitsubishi elevators. Mitsubishi just speaks crazy, guys. Alright, one more wait. I can get the cafe. There's oh yeah, Hitachi. Next one, the Mitsubishi elevators. Okay. Alright, now go with the elevator here that goes to the center. We'll find the next one, the swimming elevator here at the tomorrow at 7 p.m. Okay, now go with this elevator here. Let's close. Girls, here first. So, alright, the Mitsubishi elevators right there. Wow, go highest. Okay, one was this. Here we go. Oh yeah, one. Oh my god, that's crazy right there. So big voice is already here. This is a project. Wow. That's the outro. Alright, chill. Listen to this. Alright, let's listen. Wee, this makes crazy. This is loud. Something machine right there. Oh god. That sounds terrible. Kepencet Spanish right there. And kepencet mana right there. Tengok mau bisa. It's on the station. This is so cool. Here we go. Okay, it's very complete. Next up is it's time to go home. Waiting on our letters. Alright. One and there. What's this? Wee. Mitsubishi elevators right there. Whoa, that was crazy. Alright, what's close? And here time so we can do this there. Next up, doing Christmas. Close. Here it comes. See guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I hit them with here breaks. What's this? Here it comes. Oops, we could close get here clear, so goes with you. Okay, here it comes. Okay, great right there, so there we go. Whoa, this way is crazy. Alright, we're finally here. Finally we're at the hotel right there. You see? We're finally at the hotel. Okay, DMB right there. Next stops tomorrow. We're gonna go at this elevator here at 27 December. You go at the parking. Now 29 December. The stairs right there to get to your hotel 15 December. But now 29 December. We're gonna go at this elevator here. Christmas anniversary is cancelled. Look, next one right this elevator here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And good night. So you guys, Sati, and get the trip. 1 January. It's for now.